Hey beautiful souls! Welcome to Luxe Beauty Secrets, where we reveal the best-kept beauty secrets to help you look and feel flawless, confident, and radiant every day. From celebrity skincare hacks to pro-level makeup tips and the ultimate beauty must-haves, we bring you expert advice, luxury beauty finds, and science-backed secrets that will elevate your self-care routine. Want to unlock your most beautiful self? Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's start your journey to effortless, timeless beauty. Because luxury isn't just a look, it's a lifestyle. Okay, let's talk about aging gracefully, because who doesn't want that, right? Now, wrinkles are a natural part of life, I get it. But there are ways to minimize their appearance and keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant for as long as possible. And it all starts with collagen. You know, that magical protein that gives your skin its structure and elasticity. As we age, our collagen production slows down. It happens to the best of us. But the good news is, we have the power to boost it naturally. One of my absolute favorite ways is with a powerful vitamin C serum. This, my friends, is your skin's new BFF. Not only does vitamin C fight those nasty free radicals that damage our skin, but it also brightens your complexion, giving you that gorgeous glow, and it boosts collagen production like a dream. Trust me, incorporating a good vitamin C serum into your routine will change your skin game. And speaking of game changers, let's talk about the magic of retinol. This skincare superhero is a derivative of vitamin A, and it works wonders by increasing skin cell turnover, which basically means it helps those fresh new skin cells rise to the surface faster. This process helps to fade fine lines and wrinkles over time, revealing smoother, more youthful skin. But a word of caution: retinol can make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so it's best to use it at night and always follow with SPF in the morning. Now, skincare isn't just about what you put on your face, it's also about what you put into your body. Nourishing your skin from within is just as crucial. So load up on collagen-boosting foods like bone broth. It's like a magic potion for your skin. Salmon, which is packed with omega-3 fatty acids that help maintain skin elasticity. And leafy greens, which are full of antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage. Remember, true beauty starts from within. Now let's talk about maximizing your beauty sleep. Did you know that your skin repairs itself while you sleep? It's true. While you're catching those z's, your skin cells are hard at work, regenerating and repairing any damage from the day. That's why having a solid nighttime skincare routine is absolutely essential for ageless skin. And trust me, it doesn't have to be complicated. First and foremost, hydration is key. After cleansing your skin, apply a rich peptide-infused night cream. Peptides are like little messengers that tell your skin to produce more collagen, so they're amazing for restoring elasticity and plumping up those fine lines. And while we're on the topic of nighttime skincare must-haves, let's talk about silk pillowcases. You might be wondering, Huda, what do pillowcases have to do with wrinkles? Well, let me tell you, they make a world of difference. Regular cotton pillowcases can actually tug and pull at your delicate skin, which can contribute to premature wrinkles, especially around the eyes and mouth. Silk, on the other hand, allows your skin to glide smoothly, preventing those sleep lines from forming. Plus, silk helps your skin retain moisture, so you wake up looking dewy and hydrated. Win-win! And for an extra boost of rejuvenation, try incorporating a gentle overnight face massage into your routine. I swear by this. Gently massaging your skin for a few minutes before bed not only feels amazing, but also helps to stimulate circulation and lymphatic drainage. This enhanced blood flow brings oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells, promoting a healthy glow and reducing puffiness. Plus, it helps your skin absorb your skincare products better, so you get the most out of them. It's a total game changer. Okay, let's talk about the biggest culprit of premature aging: sun damage. I cannot stress this enough. Protecting your skin from the sun is non-negotiable if you want to maintain a youthful complexion. The sun's harmful UV rays break down collagen and elastin in your skin, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and uneven skin tone. And trust me, preventing sun damage is way easier than trying to reverse it later on. So make SPF your new BFF. I'm talking SPF 50 or higher every single day, rain or shine. Yes, even on cloudy days, those sneaky UV rays can still penetrate your skin. Find a lightweight, non-greasy formula that you love and make it a daily habit. Think of it as an essential part of your skincare routine, just like brushing your teeth. And to really amp up your sun protection game, pair your sunscreen with an antioxidant serum. Antioxidants are like little warriors that fight off those damaging free radicals I mentioned earlier. They help to neutralize the harmful effects of UV rays, pollution, and other environmental stressors that can wreak havoc on your skin. Look for serums with ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E, green tea extract, or resveratrol. These are all antioxidant powerhouses that will keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. And don't forget about those stylish accessories, sunglasses and hats. Not only do they elevate your look, but they also provide an extra layer of protection for your delicate facial skin. Sunglasses shield the sensitive skin around your eyes, preventing those pesky crow's feet from forming, while wide-brimmed hats protect your forehead, cheeks, and nose from direct sunlight. Plus, they make you look effortlessly chic. Now let's dive into the holistic side of beauty, because true radiance goes beyond just skincare products. Your lifestyle choices play a huge role in how your skin ages. Remember, it's not just about looking younger, it's about feeling confident and vibrant from the inside out. First and foremost, hydration, hydration, hydration. You've probably heard it a million times, but drinking enough water is crucial for healthy, youthful skin. When you're dehydrated, your skin loses its plumpness and elasticity, making fine lines and wrinkles more prominent. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin looking its best. And don't forget about those skin-loving teas. Green tea, for example, is packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage and reduce inflammation. You can also find herbal teas infused with collagen-boosting ingredients like hibiscus and rosehip, which can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Sipping on these delicious teas is not only good for your skin, but also a relaxing ritual that promotes overall well-being. Now let's talk about beauty sleep. We already covered the importance of a good nighttime skincare routine, but getting enough sleep is equally important. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, which can break down collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Plus, lack of sleep can make your skin look dull and lifeless. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate properly. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. So, there you have it, my loves. My secrets to unlocking ageless skin without Botox or expensive treatments. Remember, wrinkles are a natural part of life, and they tell the story of your journey. But with the right routine and a holistic approach to beauty, you can achieve smoother, firmer, more youthful-looking skin at any age. If you loved these beauty secrets, hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your go-to skincare product?